my ducks, my swans, welcome to the pond. My ducks, my swans, welcome to the pond. My name is Dorian from Group82Music.com, and today I'm gonna talk to you about Spotify is on some sneaky shit. This ain't good. It's not good. Somebody who's been a Spotify artist for years now, somebody who's gotten millions of real streams on Spotify, somebody who's been a huge advocate of Spotify, that seemed like somewhere where an independent artist who wasn't signed to a record deal, who had work ethic, who had discipline, could get streams, could get fans, and get money. It looks like stuff's about to change. Over the past 18 months, I've been seeing things change with Spotify. Slowly but surely, playlists I had relationships with weren't getting as much traction. Our personal playlists weren't getting as much traction. We had to start running ads for playlists. We would change the names of the playlist to get the SEO whenever a new album would come out, and it would go up, it would come down, it would go up, it would come down. And that's a part of it. It's part of marketing, right? Talk to y'all about that all the time. That's how the stock market is. That's how Spotify is. But now I'm starting to see a lot of things that are coming into play. And it looks like the major labels have their hands in on what's going on Spotify. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take y'all to the computer and I'm gonna show y'all something that's a very, very bad sign for all independent artists.
For those of y'all that seen my videos before, you've seen this. This is the Spotify desktop app, obviously. And the search prompt is where you can go to find anything, including playlists and artists. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take you to a pretty big artist, Drake. And we're gonna go to his Spotify profile. As you can see, Drake has 52 million monthly listeners. It's insane. And you click the About section. When you click the About section, you go to Discovered On. On Discovered On, you can see the top 5 playlists that Drake is getting his monthly listeners from. Now, it used to be they would have the number up under each of these playlists. So you can see from the 52 million monthly listeners, 3.1 million were coming from today's top hits. But as you can see now, the number's no longer there. So I was like, damn, okay, maybe the major labels are hiding. So let's go to somebody who's not major, smaller artist. This nigga named Dorian. Go to his, he got 23,000 monthly listeners. He needs to get on it because he doesn't release any music. Go to his About section, go to his Discovered On. You can see the top 5 playlists that he's getting his 23,000 from. And as you can see, this number isn't here neither. Now, 2 weeks ago, under Dorian, the number was here. Now, it's not. What does that mean? That means that Spotify is starting to hide that information. They're starting to hide that data. And in the record industry, when people start hiding things, that means that there's a lot of shady shit going on behind the scenes. They're about to pimp out that service or platform, and they're going to push independent artists out. So if you're an independent artist and your numbers look like this, where you got millions of streams and multiple songs with hundreds of thousands of streams, I think they're going to start pushing this out. I think in the next 18 months, Spotify is going to take complete control of all the playlists. And that means that only major label artists or people that are major label affiliated are going to be on a playlist, and independent artists like us who have gotten our streams in a real organic way.
The fact they're hiding which playlist your monthly listeners is coming from doesn't make any sense. I already thought it was sneaky that when you clicked on the monthly listener number, you couldn't see the people's names. I always thought it was sneaky too on Spotify that when you click the follower number on playlists, you couldn't see which accounts, which profiles are following. I always thought that was weird. Because when you go to Instagram, you click anybody's follower number, you see names. You can do that on Facebook, you can do that on Twitter, you can do that on a bunch of places. On Spotify, I couldn't see who the followers actually were. I couldn't see who the profiles actually were. I always thought it was weird too. They never had a direct message feature. I always thought that was crazy. Music is as much of a social experience as anything that we have. So why would you not want to connect everybody? But now I'm seeing why. The major labels, just like they did with mixtape websites, just like they did with blogs, just like they do with everything, they have completely fucked this up. And for independent artists, that's why I've been telling y'all for months, for years now, you gotta build a brand. If you're not building a brand and you're depending on this system, if you're depending on getting playlists, you're about to be fucked really, really quick. Why do you think I've been building my brand? Why do you think I've been talking about other stuff? Why do you think I've been going over to YouTube? Why do you think I've been expanding the things that we're doing here at Group 82? I saw this coming. Y'all need to be paying attention to the stuff I'm doing and listen to the stuff I'm saying. I'm telling you right now, you need to start building a brand today. You're not just an artist. You do other things. You play video games, you cook, you smoke weed, you think you're a porn star, you hoop, you dance, you draw, you make shoes, you design shirts, you're really into anime, really into 2K, you're into other stuff. Now's the time. You gotta shift because Spotify ain't on our side no more. And that's why we help you build brands at Group 82. If you need help building a brand, figuring out what it is you need to do, so that way you don't get caught up in this, go to the website, group82music.com, purchase one of our packages for 60% off. In our one-on-one coaching session, I will lead you down the right path for your brand. This is not a game. This ain't no salesmanship. This is real shit. Anybody that's had a career where you've gotten some money off of Spotify, that shit's about to stop. It's literally about to stop. You need to get ahead of it before you get fucked. If you don't want to get fucked, you want to be a virgin to this shit, click the link. Hit me up. Help map out a plan. I'm out the pod.
Group82music.com.